Welcome back to eGreen Channel. Today we're diving into the top 9 health benefits of papaya that you absolutely need to know about. This tropical fruit is not only delicious, but packs a serious nutritional punch. We're talking about boosting your immune system, supporting your digestion, and even giving your skin a healthy glow. Stay tuned as we break down all the amazing things papaya can do for your health. First up, let's talk about vitamin C. This essential nutrient is a powerhouse for your health. You know it's important for immunity, but did you know papaya is loaded with it? Yes, this tropical fruit is a vitamin C superstar. We're talking over 200% of your daily needs in a single serving. Imagine getting all that goodness from just one fruit. That's more than double what an orange provides. While oranges are often hailed as the go-to source for vitamin C, papayas are the unsung heroes. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, meaning it helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are crucial for maintaining overall health. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. They are everywhere, from pollution to the food we eat. So by loading up on vitamin C-rich foods like papaya, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight back. Incorporating papaya into your diet can be as simple as adding it to your morning smoothie or salad. Plus, vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin looking young and healthy. Collagen is the protein that gives your skin its elasticity and strength. Remember, a healthy body starts with a strong immune system, and papaya can help you build just that. By boosting your immune system, you're not just fighting off colds, but also enhancing your overall well-being. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the papaya. It's not just a delicious fruit, but a nutritional powerhouse that can support your health in multiple ways. From improving your skin to boosting your immune system, papaya truly is a vitamin C superstar. And let's not forget, papayas are also rich in other nutrients like vitamin A, folate, and fiber, making them a well-rounded addition to your diet. So go ahead, enjoy this tropical delight and reap the benefits of its incredible nutritional profile. Whether you eat it fresh, blend it into a smoothie, or use it in your skincare routine, papaya is a versatile fruit that deserves a spot in your daily regimen. Embrace the power of papaya and let it help you achieve a healthier, more vibrant life. Ever heard of Poane? It's a powerful enzyme found in papaya, and it's a game changer for your gut health. Poane helps break down proteins in your food, making them easier to digest and absorb. This can be especially helpful if you struggle with bloating, gas, or other digestive discomforts. Think of Poane as a natural digestive aid that can help things move along smoothly. And when your digestion is running smoothly, your entire body benefits. You'll experience less bloating, more energy, and even clearer skin. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your digestive health, look no further than papaya. Papaya isn't just about vitamin C and papain. It's also packed with other antioxidants like lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that gives fruits like tomatoes and watermelon their red color. It's been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic diseases. Lycopene works by neutralizing free radicals in the body, preventing them from causing cellular damage. And when your cells are protected, your whole body functions better. You'll have more energy, your skin will look healthier, and you'll be giving your body the best chance at a long and healthy life. So, make sure to include plenty of antioxidant-rich foods like papaya in your diet. Let's talk more about gut health because it's crucial for overall well-being. Papaya is a natural digestive aid thanks to its fiber and enzyme content. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, helping to keep things moving along smoothly through your digestive tract. And as we discussed earlier, papain helps break down proteins, making them easier to digest. This combination of fiber and enzymes makes papaya a true digestive superstar. If you're looking for a natural way to relieve constipation, bloating, or other digestive issues, papaya is a great option. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut, and a happy gut means a happier you. Now, if you're watching your weight, you'll be happy to know that papaya is a weight loss-friendly fruit. This tropical delight is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can support your weight loss journey. It's naturally low in calories, with 1 cup of cubed papaya containing only about 60 calories. This means you can enjoy a generous serving without worrying about calorie overload. But here's the best part. Papaya is also high in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied after eating. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system and can aid in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. Fiber slows down digestion, preventing those blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating. This steady release of energy helps maintain your blood sugar levels, keeping you energized throughout the day. So, if you're looking for a healthy and satisfying snack or addition to your meals, papaya is a great option. You can add it to your salads, smoothies, or even enjoy it on its own as a refreshing treat. It will fill you up without weighing you down, making it a great choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy weight. Plus, papaya is rich in vitamins A and C, which are essential for overall health and well-being. Incorporating papaya into your diet can also support your fitness goals. Its natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, perfect for pre-workout snacks. And the antioxidants in papaya help reduce inflammation, aiding in muscle recovery after exercise. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some fresh papayas. They're versatile, delicious, and a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. Whether you're aiming to lose weight or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, papaya can be your go-to fruit. Share the goodness of papaya with your friends and family, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you together. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your overall health. We've already touched on vitamin C's role in immunity, but papaya takes it a step further. This tropical fruit contains a decent amount of vitamin A, another nutrient crucial for immune function. Vitamin A helps your body produce white blood cells, which are your body's first line of defense against infections. It also helps regulate your immune system, preventing it from overreacting and causing inflammation. So, by incorporating papaya into your diet, you're giving your immune system a double dose of support. Remember, a strong immune system is your best defense against getting sick, and papaya can help you build just that. Did you know that papaya can also benefit your heart health? This tropical fruit is not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can support your cardiovascular system in multiple ways. It's true, papaya contains potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium is essential for maintaining the balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body, which directly impacts your blood pressure levels. Potassium helps counteract the negative effects of sodium, which can raise blood pressure and put a strain on your heart. When you consume too much sodium, it can lead to water retention, increasing the volume of blood your heart has to pump. Potassium helps to mitigate this by promoting the excretion of sodium through urine. Additionally, papaya's fiber content can help lower cholesterol levels, further reducing your risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber in papaya binds to cholesterol particles in your digestive system, preventing them from entering your bloodstream and clogging your arteries. Fiber binds to cholesterol in your digestive tract, preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. This process helps to maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which is crucial for preventing plaque buildup in your arteries and ensuring smooth blood flow. So, by adding papaya to your diet, you're taking a proactive approach to supporting your heart health. Incorporating this fruit into your meals can be as simple as adding it to your morning smoothie, mixing it into a fruit salad, or enjoying it as a refreshing snack. Remember, a healthy heart is essential for a long and healthy life, and papaya can help you achieve just that. By making small, consistent changes to your diet, like including heart-healthy foods such as papaya, you can significantly improve your overall well-being and longevity. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some papayas and start reaping the heart health benefits today. We all want healthy, glowing skin, and papaya can help you achieve just that. As mentioned earlier, papaya is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its elasticity and firmness, preventing wrinkles and sagging. Additionally, papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which has exfoliating properties. Papain can help remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. So, whether you eat it or apply it topically, papaya can do wonders for your skin. Remember, healthy skin is a reflection of a healthy body, and papaya can help you achieve both. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that papaya may play a role in cancer prevention. Papaya is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to the development of cancer. Additionally, papaya contains a specific type of antioxidant called beta-carotene, which has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. While papaya shouldn't be considered a cure for cancer, it's promising to see its potential in cancer prevention. Remember, a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise is crucial for cancer prevention. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Incorporating papaya into your diet is a delicious and easy way to boost your health from the inside out. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your well-being. Subscribe to the Green channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. See you next time.